Big things have small beginnings. A caterpillar becomes a butterfly, and a small spark of interest can go on to become something great.
I started my dream there, in my dad's garage, when I remember getting a metal plate with screw nuts that I could work on while Dad worked on his cars.
Our lawnmower was broken, dangerous to be around, but my dad fixed it. From that day, I was fascinated by that fact, that we could create these machines and fix them if they broke.
I've always been fascinated by sounds, especially sounds from machines. How do they work? What's inside and how can I make them better?
I'll never forget the day I got a bike from my parents that I picked apart just to put it back together again.
Playing and tinkering with my dad's trucks in his garage. That spark gave me energy.
Energy. I get it from many things. For example, when someone tells me that something is impossible. When I know that it can be done.
Went from working in a workshop to now working with my home as a base. You get to meet new people every day.
I always want to feel like I'm moving forward.
Fixing stuff with my hands.
Lifting each other. In the same way that we work with our machines, helping each other to become better.
When I find something I love, I always want to be the best at it.
Creating quality.
The future is here, and who knows what it will look like in 10 years. A future where technicians work a lot more with computers and digital instruments and less with screwdrivers.
Do you hear that? That's the sound of my present and my future. What's yours?